Now let us perform the activity from page number 10.9. In this activity, draw a thick straight line in ink over a sheet of white paper. What I have done, first I will take this glass slab and mark the outside position of this glass slab, and afterwards I draw the thick line normal, and with some angle I draw one more thick line on this glass slab, right? Place a glass slab over the line in such a way that one of its edge make an angle with the line. So now what I will do, I will just place this glass slab over this outline, right? Easily you can see the difference. See this one, this is the line. If we just place the camera on other side, you can easily see the difference of ray of light which is bending. See, this is a ray of light which is straight line, and then you just see the which is bent and it is above the glass slab. Okay, so do the line under the glass slab appear to be bent at the edges? Yes, see, it is bent at the edges. See this one, this is a ray of light and it is bent at the edge. See the bending of the light. Okay, and from this side also you can see easily the bending of light. See, the ray of light is coming from this side, and this it will not move in a straight line, it just bent at the edge. Easily visible in this activity. Now place the glass slab such that normal to the line. What do you observe? Does the part of the line under the glass slab appear bent? Yes. If we can see from this side, easily you are able to see the image. This line is above this edge. Okay, so why this is above the edge? What is the phenomena behind this? Why does this happen? This happened due to the vertical shift. Okay, and under the glass slab it appeared bent. So phenomena, why it bent above the glass slab, why it appeared to be raised? Because of the vertical shift. Easily you can see. Again I will show you that this is the line which I have drawn. This is a normal, and this one thick line I have drawn on this glass in this sheet of a paper. Then afterwards what I will do, I just place this glass slab over the line. See the difference. See, this is a straight line and it is not meet directly in this position, but it bent. Okay, from this side also you can see it is above the glass slab. See, at this edge easily you can see the difference. Okay, see this one, this is the line, this is the line, and this is why the image is above appear to be raised. The phenomena behind is due to the vertical shift.